Everyone, I made it into Costco. So we had the Belvita blueberry. These are 10.69, ends on the 26th. So I'm in the business center, and over here this one is going to be $11.99, and then they're going to be non-GMO, and you will get 12. You have almond, cashews, cranberries, yogurt chips, and blueberries. Just like a really simple one. $12.59. We have Second and Nature. Now this one, you get 16 5 grams protein, non-GMO, no artificial colors, flavors. We have roasted almond, dark chocolate, peanut, dried cranberries, cashews, and cherries. Ooh, that one sounds pretty good. The cherry one. These are $12.59. Blue Diamond has chili and lime flavored. These are $14.79. They also have wasabi and soy sauce, $9.69, and you will get 12. And $8.99, you will get 30. So we have, let's see, hot, salt and lime, spicy, and Japanese style, and of course you get 30 in here. Pickle in a pouch, you get 12 in here for $11.99. So this one's gonna be the jumbo pickle for $10. So maybe like a regular one. Oh, Big Papa. And jumbo dill, 10, and you get 12. And Tapatio, they have it individual. Okay, you get 24 for $21.49.
There's the hot mama.
Where? Oh. Yeah, this one is the hot mama. So is it spicy then? Let's see. $11.99. Fit Crunch is going to be $13.99. Your limit is 10, ends on the 26th. And these are going to be keto friendly, so they're $15.79. They're plant-based. We have almond butter, blackberry jelly, dark chocolate, and sea salt. That's a new one. I haven't seen this one here. The Kirkland protein bar cookie dough, you get 20 for $21. So it looks like 21 gram protein. They're gluten-free, made with real chocolate, no artificial flavoring. That's what it says, but we'll look at it. You get 20 cookies in here for $17.69. The Beast Cookie Company. So I did find a new variety pack for $12.99. Now this one you get pretzel, vanilla cupcake, extra, and colors. 45, ends on the 26th. $9.49. This is a 20 count. We have brownie brittle, okay, and that's going to be $9.49 for 20. Now this one looks new right here. This is the boba milk tea mochi variety pack for $9.89. So it looks like you get brown sugar, milk tea, and creme brulee. So you can make your own mochi. Okay. Again, I've never tried like stuff like this. Do you make it? Is it or a snack? Suitable for vegetarians, it says. I think they're little snacks.
That's cool.
So the Keebler, the soft batch, you get 12 for 8. That's going to be a new find. And we have Walkers. Okay, you get 24 in here for $9.49. This is new. Haven't seen Walkers. Can I pull one down? There we go. The little snacks. Dried tangerine. These are $8.49. And it's a 20 ounce. They also have ginger chunks, this vegan for $8.99. You can also find the mango, which I know we've seen this in regular Costco, $10.99 here. They're gonna be non-GMO. So you get 18 in here. We have Sour Patch, $12.99. You get 18. They also have Snickers. Oh really? I haven't tried this stuff though. But they have them here. And look, $12.39. That is a 8 a pound. 36 pouches for $14 by Annie. Sunny D, you get 1 gallons for $5.69. And only $12.99. You get 12 in here. They also have mango as well. And if you love V8, these are going to be 23 and you do get 48. And if you're a fan of energy drinks, you know, the business center is where you're going to get them. Everything Monster here. They do have Red Bull. Every now and then they do carry Rockstar. So we have Mango Loco, Energy, the low carb one, Ultra Paradise.
This is the original Ultra Fiesta one.
Ultra Watermelon.
That's the original Ultra Fiesta. Oh wait, no it's not. I lied.
And they're all $36.
This one has the gross mango in it.
Okay. Gatorade, this one you get 12 for $22. So we have strawberry, kiwi, orange, and watermelon. And then here's all the Red Bull. The Red Bull, well this one right here is a 33. This one's sugar free, 33 as well. And then when we get to the other flavors, the peach is 36, so they do change. We have blueberry for 36. I didn't even know they had flavors like this, honestly. I don't drink this. And we have dragon fruit and the yellow edition for 36. You get 24. So a 10-pound vacuum pack garnet asada, like just beef. This is like diced beef for $54. And then over here we have Morton's corned beef brisket. It's $5.99 a pound. So $27.19. This is like a 4.5 pound. And $12.69 for the buffalo style. Ends on the 26th. They're buffalo, like Tyson chicken bites. They do offer beef cheek meat. Let's see. These are $4.49. No. Yeah, $4.49 a pound, so 16. This one over here, flank steak. This is 39. So this one is cap off inside round. Let's see, it is $4.99 a pound, so this one's gonna be 88. So $152. This is pretty much 17. $8.99 a pound. We have beef ribeye, boneless, and what is this one? Sliced short rib for $30. I haven't seen this. This is like kind of a new area.
Think of all the steaks you can get out of this ribeye.
Oh yeah. It's like, you know, meat eaters fantasy. Chuck short ribs. This is $7.49 a pound. $60. Okay, they do have halal chicken nuggets for $14. And then this one is also halal, $25.99. This is 2-pound crab legs and claw. It looks like raw lobster tails. A 10-pound is $340. Calamari steaks are $21.49. I've never seen that. Okay, this looks good. $14.99. You get 8 in here. Blueberry cheesecake caramelized croissant. Oh yeah, look at this. This looks good. Smoked ham and cheese croissant packet or pocket. You get 8 for $13.79. Okay, and then we have white chocolate raspberry, $17.49. And $18.99. It's Lee's coffee. And look at that, looks good to make, right? This, you get 6 in here. $12.99. You get strawberry cups in here. You get 12. And you know what? They also have vanilla. Oh gosh, that's a good one. I'm gonna keep that in mind for the summertime. Twix over here. You get 24 for $24. Fat Boy, these are good too. $10.49. And you get 18. And $6.99. This one ends on the 26th, you guys. So they have some pretty new items today in the business center, and you know, items on discount. These are $8.89. I think we might have seen these before. They're going to be the strawberry brownie bites. These are $7.39.
These are at Walmart.
I do, but I kind of like how they're an individual package, because if you take this to the teen center, they're not touching the whole thing. $7.39, and you get 32, I think. What's a 32 ounce? And $8.99. $100% grass-fed think jerky. Now these are going to be $24, and you get 21 ounce. And $12.29. Your limit is 12. Ends on the 26th. Hey, these are like the ones they have at Walmart.
Oh, yeah, the ones on the little tree thing.
These are $14, and you will get 50. Hey, that's pretty cool. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here in the Costco. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. And I do feel like some of this candy, for doing something really big, you get 24 here, like Easter or anything. I would kind of say come here if you want a different variety of candy that you can find compared to your regular store. This is strawberry. We got the Nerds. You get 12 for 17. Same price in Sam's Club, I believe. Look at Trolleys. You get 16 here for 20. Skittles, Starburst, gummy bears.